Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. I am driving this. This is the Mahindra Thar and today we are going to be driving it off the road. And yes, I've driven it all through this. It's a fantastic car. Looks really nice. Looks like a Jeep Wrangler light and it's quite wide. I like the wheels on the car. Only thing I think the lights should have been LEDs. Of course, the LEDs are LEDs. Rather, the LED DRL is of course LED. Says Thar right there. The grille is like could have been better, but there are going to be a lot of aftermarket options for sure. It's sub 4 meter in terms of the length of the car, and in this particular shade of brown, it really blends in with nature. It looks very nice. A lot of Thar badges all across the car. Unfortunately though, this is the only car which can actually come here where I'm shooting this vlog, which means that there's a lot of stuff lying inside. Yeah, this is not the best car for shooting because everything pops around, everything moves around and everything has been just rotating. The interior obviously feels really nice. Much better than before. Plenty of features on offer obviously on this LX trim, which means it's a very practical car. I love the touchscreen. It's really very nice, and specifically speaking, I love the adventure statistics. Right now of course we are standing off-road, which means that it will show you stuff here. Yeah, that is so cool. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm catching my breath right now, but really well done Mahindra. Obviously you can remove the doors if you so wish. That's the reason why you don't have the power window controls on the doors. You have it here in the center. Coin holder, because there's a lot of toll somehow. You can actually remove this. This is actually removable. Yeah, but Mahindra does not take a guarantee if you remove it, because of course things might not fit properly, which means that it will not be water resistant. The hard top is really very nice. See, it's a very comfortable. Plenty of features in this car. Of course more features could have been there. You see, check tire direction. It says instrument cluster. I like it. Could have been better. Like the older Thar had a nice one, especially the surrounds. And the cabin actually is a premium place to be in now because there's so many features. It's easy to get to the rear as well. You press this button here and you can pull it, and they forgot to put the serial number somehow here, which I will fill later. Grab rail to hold on to. 7-inch touchscreen system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, loaded with a ton of features, and getting into follow is so easy now. Like earlier it was an effort. Here you see, got into high. Now just press this. Here we are into follow. That's super easy now, which was not the case earlier. Yeah, hard plastics are plenty, but you know what? The interior is actually water resistant to a certain extent, which means that you can actually wash it. I love this. Okay, this is so cool, which means I have to use the wiper to show you exactly. Yeah, that looks super nice as well. Impressed, although I think it should have gotten auto dimming inside rearview mirror. Maybe push button start as well. There's a reason why it doesn't get a push button start, which I'll show you when I walk the Thar. Let's get going. So right now we are going to be walking the Thar. How do you walk a Thar? Well, let's turn it on. There it rose to life. Now we're going to put it into 4 low. So the car is right now in 4 low. We get into first gear. Okay, and I have stalled it. There, we get into first gear. Now I have left everything. I have left the accelerator, I left the brake. The car is moving on its own. Now many of you might think that, is he really doing that? You can actually walk the Thar. I kid you not. You can walk the Thar because of the low range gearbox. What it does is basically it crawls at a speed wherein you don't have to do anything. And to prove my point, right, well, I will just get out of the car. Here we go. I've just got out of the car. The car is moving on its own. You can stand outside, walk it, steer it the way you like, and that's as easy as it gets. Yeah, look at it. This is so cool, right? Just imagine going off-road. You can be your own spotter because you can actually stay outside and see what's happening. That is so freaking cool about the Thar. So yes, Mahindra has given it a lot of off-road capabilities. In fact, it is more capable than the older Thar. There, you can go on yourself you can go, because this is like autonomous driving. How good is that? Now if you want to stop the car because it's going somewhere, what do? You just turn it off and there it stops. Yeah. Autonomous driving off the road. So now we are going to take a steep incline, which is with a lot of muck as well as some ruts too. Now of course I'm in 4 low, which means that I don't have to actually accelerate because you've already seen I've walked the car. So the car is very obedient now. Okay, we need to get into second gear because I need more speed. Not really right now because obviously, first let me cross this. It's absolutely crazy. Now I'm not going to throttle the car, and let's compare this with the older Thar. When you compare to the older Thar, its approach angle is lower. Yeah, it's lesser, but the departure angle is more, the breakover angle is more, the ground clearance is more, the water weighting capacity is more, everything is more and more. And I'm in second gear. I'm not putting any accelerator. It is just so comfortable, so easy to drive this car. Very capable. The 4-wheel drive system works brilliantly well. Obviously on the older Thar also it worked brilliantly well. Now you see things are going a little haywire, but ground clearance not an issue. Actually ground clearance is also increased, I think, by 26 mm. This is actually a cakewalk. I need to throttle a bit to get going, and that is covered without any issue whatsoever. That was so easy, unbelievable. Okay, and we're not even on off-road tires. That's the beauty. We are on 80 tires, I think, all terrain tires, and I think the other Thar is on RT, which is rough terrain. But look at the ease with which this car goes. It's baffling to me. I know. Because of the body on frame nature, we are moving around a bit, and obviously we're hitting a lot of stuff here and there. Sorry, Mahindra, but you're gonna hit this tree. Ouchie! Yeah, that hit, that hurt. Now here's a decline. I actually need to get into first gear. Here, into first gear. It is managing on its own. I don't need to apply brakes. It is that comfortable, that easy. This is autonomous driving. You are seeing autonomous driving here off the road. Take that, Tesla. Okay, we have to throttle a bit to get going upwards, and everybody shakes. Now the suspension is better because leaf springs are tata bye bye, and now we've got coil springs on this car. We should do a little bit of a water splashing, but unfortunately there's a traffic jam here, which means that we'll have to stop and then get back along. थक life है वो. थक गए होंगे ऑफ रोड करके यहाँ पे.
हाँ, ये लोग को बोर होता होगा रोज. हाँ
यार, पूरे टाइम ऑफ रोड ही कर रहे हैं, और घर जाके सफाई वफाई करो, मेरे को पूरे गंदे हो जाते कपड़े. इसलिए मैंने ये जीन्स क्यों पहनी है पता है, ये भी फेंकने लायक होगी, फटवट भी गई है. जितने भी गंदे हो जाए इसको फेंक देंगे आज ऑफ रोड करके. लास्ट टाइम भी आए थे ना, ऐसे ही किया था. और आरुषि हेड कम ना लास्ट टाइम, तो उस पर जंप वम करके स्प्लैश कर दिया और बोल दिया सॉरी गलती से हो गया, दिखा नहीं. शी गॉट सो पिस्ड शी लेफ्ट मोटर बीम. एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइक BMW SUVs are capable, but more of soft roaders. So off road नहीं जाते तो उसको कोई टेंशन ही नहीं होता.
एक्स ड्राइव इवेंट होता है ना उनको, ऐसे चलाते हैं.
एक्स ड्राइव इवेंट में दे शुड कॉल मोटर बीम, है ना, बिकॉज Arushi's ex employer is motor beam. Gandhar, come in, Gandhar. बुला रहा है, हाथ से बुला रहा है. So now we are going to do some water splashing, but we are in 4 low. What exactly is this 4 low? Basically what 4 low does is it restricts the RPM, but it 2.5x is the torque. So just imagine this car produces, how much torque it produces? 320 Newton meters? 300 Newton meters.
320 I think.
ऐसा कुछ torque produce करती है, and because of which like you have to shift third gear, forget everything, and here we go. Sorry about this, but this is how we need to go. Oh my god. क्या फट रही है तुम्हारी, चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? अरे ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार, थोड़ा तो भरोसा रखो. अरे धुआं आ रहा है, जल के धुआं हो रहे हैं हम. So after splashing a lot of water, obviously I think some went in the grill, and also you can see that smoke is coming out right now. But that was so much fun. जुबैर, तुम डर तो नहीं गए थे? तुम लोग डरे नहीं? तुम लोग पे पानी नहीं आया? Yes, तुम पे नहीं आया. Shit, तुम पे आया. पता है जैसे ऊपर गया ना पार्टी. He was shouting like a girl. What is what? Don't use word like. हाँ, what? क्या हुआ?
बचा बाल बचा, पूरा पानी मेरे पे आने वाला है.
तो वैक्स क्या करो ना, बाल नहीं होंगे वहाँ पे. हॉर्न अच्छा किधर है? थोड़ा मतलब इट कुड हैव बीन मैनली. विंडटोन है ना जो उसका स्कोडा का, उसका अलग ही स्वैग है. दे शुड हैव गिवन रिवर्स पार्किंग कैमरा, क्योंकि ऑफ रोड में वही काम आता है. ट्रैफिक जैम हो गया यहाँ पर, मैप्स लगा के देखना पड़ेगा.
रियर वाइपर एक्चुअली.
हाँ, रियर वाइपर भी देना चाहिए था, रियर कैमरा भी देना चाहिए था.
टेस्ट में
ये जो अच्छी बात है, महिंद्रा वाले चले गए, अब हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो मन चाहे. अरे बाबा, इमेजिन पुरानी थार होती ना, घुमाने में हालत हो जाती कुछ भी.
सब लोग लीव पे होते फिर.
हाँ, तभी मैं बोलता हूँ हमेशा फ्राइडे को आना चाहिए इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. वैसे भी सैटरडे को छुट्टी होती है ना, इसलिए कोई सीन नहीं है. अभी क्या करने वाले ना, एक सेकेंड, 4 लो में निकालता हूँ.
अरे देयर इज अ कार स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर.
अरे स्टैंडिंग नहीं, उसको निकलना है. ये पीछे खड़ी क्या गाड़ी
है? रुको.
अरे टेंशन मत लो, एंड कैब यहीं पे कर लेंगे क्या?
नहीं करना है.
चलो, सब कुछ रेडी है, सब लोग रेडी है. ये रेडी है नहीं रेडी क्या कर रहे हैं? गंदर कर क्या रहे हैं? बैठा तो उसमें इंडियन स्टाइल में. ओपा इंडियन स्टाइल. चलो फर्स्ट गियर, रेविंग द मोटर, हैंड ब्रेक अप, रेस से सांसों की. बुलाएंगे तो अच्छा बुला दिया. चलो सीधा सेकंड गियर से निकालते हैं. सेकंड गियर एंड ऑफ वी गो. ओह माय गुडनेस. फट क्या रही है तुम्हारी यार. इन बेचारे बैगवतीस का देखो क्या हाल है, सब उल्टे पुल्टे रोली पोली हो गए.
आज ऑफिस का
हाँ,
सब इक्विपमेंट गया आज.
मजा है ना, देखो धुआं आ रहा है, जल के धुआं हो रहे हम.
चलो.
ये 4 लो ना बहुत बीटी है, पता है, स्पीड ही नहीं पकड़ती. थर्ड गियर में डालो तभी उड़ेगी. अभी मैंने सेकंड में निकाला, इसको घुमाते हैं. रिवर्स मारना भी एक इशू है. यहाँ पे मैंने वॉकिंग की थी, वॉकिंग. इसको कैसे यूटर्न तो नहीं मार पाएंगे. रिवर्स में लो.
रिवर्स में थी जगह बहुत.
रिवर्स पार्किंग सेंसर्स मस्त है, लेकिन कैमरा देते ना तो एकदम मज़ा आ जाता। पता है अभी तक हर जगह ऑफ रोड कर देता। एक काम करते हैं, वापस जाते हैं नीचे। ओनली सीन है कि वहाँ पे खड़ी है ना एक थार, 4 का अलग ही मज़ा है। गाड़ी स्टॉल होती नहीं 4 में कभी भी। और ये तो बहुत मस्त लग रही है गाड़ी, देखो ना क्या लग रही है। स्वैग देखो इस कार का, ऑन है, आवाज़ यहाँ तक आ रही है क्योंकि एनवीएच इतनी अच्छी नहीं है इस गाड़ी की। मस्त है एनवीएच। हाँ, सो 130 हॉर्स पावर, 130 हॉर्स पावर, 2.2 लीटर एमहॉक डीजल इंजन, वेरी रिफाइंड, पंची, गुड एक्सेलरेशन। आना है कि नहीं वॉकी पे पूछते हैं। द पर्सन हु स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट हैज़ टू मूव, डोंट बी इन द लाइन ऑफ दिस थिंग, क्योंकि ब्रेक्स आर गुड बट दे आर नॉट द बेस्ट। फर्स्ट गियर 4 लो में डाला हुआ है। चलो छोड़ो ना, 2 हाई में डालते हैं, ऑलरेडी 4 लो में जा चुके हैं हम लोग। 2 हाई में डाल दिया। अभी देखो स्वैग, सेकेंड गियर में थोड़ी ट्विच होगी रियर पे। एंड हियर वी गो। He's like, मैं चलता हूँ, दुआ में याद रखना। सब ठीक जुबैर? सब ठीक है तुम्हारा? सब ठीक है क्या? ये क्या करो, कितनी बार मैंने बोला स्मोकिंग छोड़ दो, तुम लोग बैठ के स्मोक करते रहते हो, यहाँ से निकल। चल झूठा। So the car's got really dirty. The wheels have got cleaned somehow right now. Let's ask Gandhar if he got his shot. Shot मिला? Still shooting. Look at the dedication यार। ये मस्त स्वैग है इस कार का। इसके भी थोड़े B-roll ले लेते हैं। The engine of this car is an absolute phenomenal unit. Firstly, refinement is very good, but it's like really great in terms of its low end punch. Mid range is also good. Oh my god, I hate it when the car touches all these trees and all, because the poor trees. But you know what, scratch आ जाता है गाड़ी पे, इसलिए थोड़ा tension होता है। But still, this car is extremely capable. In fact, water weighting capacity is 650 mm, up by 100 mm when compared to the older Thar. Now the ride is comfortable as you speed up, but like low speed you can feel that body on frame nature of the car, and obviously suspension travel is a lot as well. Engine on this car is an absolute stellar unit, very refined lower down, but gets very vocal once you get into the mid range, and top end में तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही आवाज़ करता है. We have to be in second gear actually, and yeah. So we're going to do a bit of articulation testing. You see the road ahead is not the smoothest. Of course we are off the road, but the Thar actually glides. You don't have to do anything. That's the beauty of it. It says 4-wheel drive low on the instrument cluster as well. Traction control obviously turns off, and it has a lot of muck ahead. Check this out. It glides through. Absolutely glides. Traction levels are very good. Yeah, I'm quite surprised with the level of traction, even with not off-road tires. What do you call not off-road tires? On-road tires, road tires, whatever. Just look at it go. No problem whatsoever. Now you see a lot of water here. Don't need to throttle either. Steering is actually very easy, and for the first time in a Mahindra Thar, it actually centers. Not like the older Thar where the steering would be in one direction. Like it will always be teda. Here there is no such issue at all, and I'm not feeling like I'm doing off-road because of the comfort which is now there with the Thar. The comfort levels are so brilliant now. It's like absolute joy going off the road without getting tired. So now you don't have to be really very manly to enjoy off-roading, because you can just glide through such kind of terrain. Yeah, a little bit of tilt here, but no problemo. But in case you fall off the car, let me know. Huh?
Sure.
Path is very wide today, I don't know why. Yeah, the car is wider, which means you have to be really careful over some sections. In fact, it's so wide now that you can't actually take this car over certain parts of the off-road academy, which was made for the older Thar. The width was just enough for the older Thar. Here, it just doesn't work. I am not feeling any of the effort which I has to feel in the older Thar. That is the level of comfort the new one offers. It's absolutely staggering. I'm not feeling I'm off-roading. What has happened? The Thar has changed. It becomes super. Okay, don't let me down here now. Actually, off the road now, it follows the path of the road. So you have to be a bit heavy on the steering wheel, but then autonomous driving. Doing the walk here would be so much fun, you know, the Thar walk. Forget, I'm not going to touch anything. I'm going to let it drive on its own. Obviously, I'll have to steer, but in 4-low, I think it drives at a speed of around 3 to 4 kilometers per hour effortlessly, and just glides through. So much traction on offer. I think it needs to rain really heavy for us to enjoy even more. But unfortunately, Mahindra is like, no, you cannot take the car really hardcore off-roading. We're going to do soft-roading sort of today, but this is not soft-roading in any way. But why did they say we're going to do soft-roading? Because unfortunately, we don't have off-road tires. So now let's go through this. Now the car obviously has brake locking differential on both the axles. It's also got a mechanical locking rear diff, and all of that makes it work flawlessly while we are in first gear. I'm going to get into second. I'm going to move a little faster. Bear with me. I know the car is moving up and down because the road is such. One side there is sort of a pothole. You can't actually call it a pothole, but I love driving this car. This experience is just so stellar. I'm telling you now, you have to once come to this academy to experience all this off-roading, because it is just so much fun. It makes you feel completely different. And right now in the new Thar, the comfort levels are staggering. It is so freaking comfortable. I can't believe it that you really enjoy driving over here. Okay, it gets a little worse ahead, but not a problem for the Thar. Now what I'm going to do is shut up so you can enjoy this whole experience as if you are driving yourself. So here we go. That was so much fun. I think I can go once again. Alright, we are going on a trail right now, which means I'm in 4 low and we're in first gear. I've left the throttle, everything, let the car crawl through below without any issue whatsoever. So we're going to go back on this trail and then come back again. Maybe I can just shut up while coming back so you can actually feel the way the car is driving and have some fun as well. So these trails are so easy for this car. It's so shocking, you know. You just have to spot things well, which is a good thing because this car is able to manage all that beautifully. So we have a Thar right ahead of us, which is actually the AX, the one for the adventure. Cut price car with lesser features, no creature comfort, but because the suspension is the same on both of them, of course it's going to be really very comfortable off the road too. It should be in first gear. That's where the comfort lies while going through a decline. How easy can this get? Please tell me that. We really need to go through some crazy muck. So what are we doing? We're not going through the route which we came from. We're just going to climb through random areas. Obviously the trees or whatever the plants are being touched from below. Somehow now in certain places the ground clearance doesn't seem ample. Considering the fact that the older Thar had a lesser ground clearance, well, it's quite surprising because it's going to touch if you don't be very careful and cautious. And talking about touching, you see everything, all these trees, all of them are touching, which actually pains your heart because the paint quality on this car is really nice. You can hear it. Okay, here, this one too. I'm sorry. Yeah, out of my control, all this. Now this engine makes its peak torque earlier on, and because it makes its peak torque earlier on, there's just so much better grunt. So I think 1600 RPM is where it's making its peak torque. When you compare to the older Thar, it made its peak torque at 1800 RPM, so 200 RPM earlier. And with the petrol engine, it makes it 1500 RPM. Yeah, peak torque comes in at 1500 RPM. Very unpetrol-like, but that's why the M Stallion engine is humongously praised for its performance. It really performs really well. There seems to be a ditch ahead, and okay, look, you can see the wheels. Okay, that thing is stuck. Wheel is spinning. So you have to be really careful there. Oh, look at that. The car slide, and okay, we are not on off-road tires, which means that I have to be really very careful while coming through here. We are in first gear. I'll have to throttle a bit. Oh my goodness. Get in. It was much easier for me somehow. See, the angle and the technique matters off the road. Come on, let's go. Second gear. Okay, we don't need to drive fast here because there's a traffic jam right ahead. These roads are so narrow now. Oh my goodness, that really pains your heart. But I'm sure with more new Thars coming here in the academy, it will start to do deforestation somehow so that they can easily pass, because this whole track is made as per the older Thar. The new one is obviously wider, and that wideness, or I don't know, the width actually adds to a lot of benefits to the new Thar. Specifically speaking, in terms of the way the car drives, in the way it has stability, that is really very nice. So into first gear, the engine braking in first gear is fab. It's just phenomenal. Okay, you don't need to use the brakes off the road. That is like a real USP. What does it say? The boneyard. The boneyard. D is missing. Okay, turning radius is a bit of an issue when you're going off the road with the new Thar. Actually, the turning radius is a lot. I have to reverse. But there's a stone on the right side. I don't want to hit that stone. But we are anyways going to go over the stone. I'm just wondering, you know, we have to head back to Mumbai from Igatpuri. That is going to be quite a journey with the tires kind of getting messed right now, driving off the road. Never mind, the car is so dirty. I mean, it's got really dirty. Thankfully, the color is brown, so you can't really feel much of it. There's a sort of a water stream ahead. There's no problem for the Thar. Look at it, glide through it. I know you're shaking a lot. Well, honestly, if you drive the old Thar now, you'll be like, what the hell? That is the level of difference. And it's so narrow. Sorry, tree, sorry. That sound did not sound reassuring at all. So 4 low brings in great amount of comfort, especially the walk was the highlight for me today. Walking the Thar, that is an absolute genius. So much fun driving this car off the road. Now what you're going to do is you're going to shut up so you can experience the Thar go through this section. One thing I've noticed with the AX right in front of us, things look very challenging. You can see the car working like crazy. Okay, the wheel articulation happening, and of course the tires also sliding. But when I'm driving the car I am in right now, I don't feel any of that. That's very funny because the level of comfort on the inside is just mind-blowing. You can't feel you're off-roading so hardcore. Only thing is when things touch, all these noises come. I need to get a fresh paint on this car for sure. Okay, there you see, nice little ditch, but what's ahead is even more fun because you go like down and then you go up, which means that you go in first and then you get into second for added momentum. It's only near the red line that this engine feels uneasy. Like it red lines at 4,700 RPM and there it makes a lot of noise. It's a very noisy engine in the top end, but the refinement levels lower down, staggering. The drivability, staggering. Performance is really nice. Linear performance. It just goes. It has that grunt, it has that punch, it has that oomph. In fact, if you're not careful, you will be doing 160 also on this car, but obviously because of the height of the car and the ground clearance of the car and the shape of a fridge, things flap and you can hear a lot of the noise as well. So not the most stable at high speeds, but I'm telling you, this is nothing to do with the older Thar. Absolutely nothing. You can't even like park both the cars together. That is the level of difference with the new Thar. Absolutely amazing. I am so impressed. There's a, what is this? It's a rock? Oh no, this is a wood panel. We are on that panel right now. Okay, we've moved the panel, so that's not an issue. Turning radius is a bit of a issue. Maybe this car should get a 360-degree parking camera. I know why Mahindra is not given a 360-degree parking camera for obvious reasons, because once you go off-road, you're going to burst all those cameras by hitting trees and whatnot. Now here comes the fun part. All right, we have to get the momentum right. We have to get the speed right. We have to be really very careful when we go down and we go up, because just feel this, okay? And we have stalled. What, yaar, Paz, you stalled the car, man. What is this? Yeah, they're not cool, man. Okay, we have to get the momentum into second gear. And that's the end of this fantastic vlog. What amazing fun off-roading. I actually put the mic inside. So guys, this was some amazing fun driving the Mahindra Thar off the road, and look where we have stopped. Really dirty, really fun. What a day, what an experience. If you like this vlog, you know what you have to do. Give it a thumbs up, that's a like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Just imagine we're putting the car through its paces, like off-roading it, worried if it's going to touch somewhere or not. Obviously the trees. Meanwhile, Motorbeam crew is chilling over here. Of course, Zubair is doing his work. Adil, where's your camera? And Mr. Hungry Head is just eating. Every time you get food, what you've got? Egg burji. कितनी भूख लगती है बॉस? सुबह को मैकडॉनल्ड्स, अभी एग बुर्जी.
I'm frustrated since Daniel did not give me that samosa.
So basically, you have to go and watch this XL100 video. Just click here, put it in the end slate, see how he did not get his samosa. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. तुम तो ब्रेड की पूरी पैकेट ले आते हो, सॉस का एक बॉटल ले आते हो, अंडे तो ऐसे भर के लेके आते हो, पता नहीं चल क्या रही है. तो तुम केटरर हो या क्या? पता है महिंद्रा ने लंच अरेंज किया हमारे लिए, पता है ना? वो भी खाओगे?
वो खाना ही है ना?
100% खाएंगे. ऐसा थोड़ी होगा. ऐसा कैसे होगा? Now we are going to be testing the new Thar over some inclines and declines. Why is it going behind? We are in first gear. Okay, now I've left the clutch, and you see it goes so easily without any effort whatsoever. Yeah, everything is automatic. Oh my god, yeah, that's so much fun now. So you see the level of comfort now. Obviously you can test the departure angle, the approach angle and all that, but it's nothing for this car because it's supremely capable. It is just so effortless on this road. Of course you're swinging, it's like a swing right now. but it's so much fun because every time it goes down and it puts you up, you get that rush in you. I can't believe the Thar is so effortless to drive. You don't have to put in any effort. Like, you can see my legs. I'm not touching anything. I am absolutely not touching anything. Okay, no brake, no accelerator, none of that. Ford Low manages everything so beautifully well on this car now. It's staggering. I know I've been saying it continuously, but I am super impressed. I thought they're going to make the car soft. They have not. It's still extremely capable off the road, but now off-roading is very effortless. You no longer need to pick up any bicep at home just to get, oh my God, this is really dangerous. I touched it already. पूरा कर लेता हूँ स्टार्ट से, खिचड़ी होगी. बट यू रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द कार और व्हाट. सर कटा. हाँ. मैं उतर के यहाँ पर आने वाला हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट डाउन एंड कम देयर. नहीं सोच रहा हूँ घुसूँ कैसे, अरे चढ़ूँ कैसे, कहाँ से. देयर इज नथिंग टू होल्ड ऑन ना. ठीक है, ये कर लो, निकाल लो सक्शन.
गोप्रो भी नहीं लगाया इन लोग ने.